In this video, you will learn how to add text behind a subject in CapCut. This is pretty simple. Follow my steps and watch this video till the end. If you are new to the channel, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Let's get started. First, head to CapCut and create a new project. Let's add our video. I want to add text behind this video of a man walking. Click on text, then add text. You can add any text you want. You can also style your text however you want. Click on font to change the font. Let's adjust the size of our text. Click on animation to add animations to your text. Let's add fade in animation. Adjust the duration. Click on out and select fade out. Let's adjust the duration. Click on OK. Adjust the length of your text to cover the entire video. Now export your video. Head back to the CapCut interface and create a new project. Let's add our video with a text style. Now click on overlay, then add overlay. Let's add our video without the text style. Resize your video to fit the screen. Navigate and locate cutout. Click on it. Then click on remove background. Wait a few seconds for CapCut to remove the background for you. And now you have your text behind the subject. You can export your video and share it on social media. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.